Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the daily trader. It is December 9th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla lost some value today. So we are down 65 bucks and 16 cents. That's 6.1%. We closed at 1,380. And post-market, we seem to be down to 1,003. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. The past 2 days have been pretty good. So Tesla closed above this channel resistance right here. It closed above it, and it seemed like it was going to go some places, even though stochastic was not still super high. And yeah, this is even reconfirming what I am thinking about stochastic. If stochastic is not at 60, don't believe the move. Tesla could have just bounced on the support, and that could have been okay. But no, it went through it. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So this is the first hour right here. So we had been on this support since December 6th, going up until yesterday. So everything was fine. And stochastic on the hourly chart was quite high. But then I don't know what happened today, but big sell-off in the morning, and we gapped down a little bit. Big sell-off, big red candle. Then we stabilized a little bit on this or close to this support right here. And then from 1230 on, we just lost it and started going down. So we are stabilizing on 1002. So 1002 that has been used on December 6th and also December 3rd. So we stabilized on 1002. And then stochastic on the hourly is really low. All of the steam in the stock just disappeared completely. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic is now at 21. RSI never broke outside of this descending strength trend. And Javier, who is one of the member, mentioned that we also have this here on stochastic. So we have a decreasing strength on the stochastic, decreasing strength on the RSI. So this little move here could not register because stochastic was not at 60 and stochastic continued to decrease. What can I tell you? This is what happened. In terms of the DMI, so DMI broke back down bearish. So it's quite rare to see DMI flip-flop like this between 2 different days. This is quite rare. Let me just make sure that I have all of my thumbs up and thumb down. Yeah, I don't know if Elon just sold a bunch of shares today, but basically that's a little bit of a reversal. So before we turn long again, even on the 1 hour chart, the stock will need to go back over 60 of stochastic, which it had been from December 7th. So this was a nice run right here. So this run right here matched with the break of this resistance, now a turn support here. So before something like this happens, it's going to take a little bit of a while because stochastic is really low at 1.51. We are going to need to be more patient if we want to enter long in Tesla on the daily chart, because I don't think it's going to happen very soon. It's going to take more time than I thought. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, Friday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.